Hello everyone. Today I have 3 Christmas Trash to Treasure projects for you. This is a Trash to Treasure Christmas open collab, hosted by Sandra from the SCHWOWIN'S Nest. Friendly home decor looks for less trash to treasure. And also Sonja from Domestic DIVA, cleaning and organizing, DIY cooking. Check out their channels and the playlist using the links in the description. First, see how I upcycle this 50-cent tray into Christmas decor with paint and vinyl decals. This is my inspiration piece. I found this at Goodwill. It had originally come from Target and was $5.99. First, I wanted to cover the blue, so I used flag red paint by Apple Barrel, and this took 2 coats. In hindsight, I should have painted it white first, but it's all good. I used 1 coat of white on the bottom because I wanted the wood grain to still show through. Then I created and printed my own labels, and I applied them to the tray. Then I added some little swirlies you see on each side of the deer with a metallic marker. Now there's mine on the left and the inspiration piece on the right. Not exact match, but I'm happy with it. Next, I have 2 super quick and easy Christmas decor pieces using old sheet music. The first one, I took 3 hardback books and some of the old music, and I wanted to cover them, so I used the dust cover for a template. I marked off where I needed to cut it and used my straight edge cutter. Then I just wrapped the book. You have to position to figure out where you want it. I did want the music to show on the side, so there we go. That's how that one's going to look. And you need to run your fingers down the spine to try to give it a little bit of a crease so it'll hug the book better. You'll see that in just a minute. There we go. And that's the first one. Now here's all 3 tied together with a black ribbon. And then I added some jingle bells that came from Dollar Tree in a 9-pack for $1. I put them on twine and wrapped around and around. Then I did my best Ray Dunn impression with a marker and wrote jingle bells. This next one is so super simple, it'll take you 1 to 2 minutes tops. An old mason jar, some old sheet music, and some faux snow. I wanted the snow to show at the bottom, so I had to reach in and pull the music up. Oh, and there I've added a bow. Now I'm pulling the music up so the snow will be at the bottom. Get everything into position. There we go. And then just add florals. And I chose these deep red poinsettias. You can use any floral of your choice. And that's it. And that's all there is to it, quick and easy. And here's all 3 of my projects together. I didn't plan on them being together in a vignette, but I think they actually do look nice there. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching today. I appreciate each and every one of you. And if you like this kind of content, like, subscribe, and comment.